Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss about how to deactivate Instagram account on iPhone. For example, if you want to deactivate your account temporarily on the iPhone, then how you can do that. For this, what you have to do, you have to simply watch this video completely. So before this, you have to make sure that you are connected to a proper Wi-Fi and internet connection. And after that, what you have to do next is you have to simply go to settings, and here you have to go to general. So in general, you have to scroll it down until you find the option of transfer or reset iPhone. And here you have to simply click on reset, and you have to reset all of your network settings. So after resetting all of your network settings and checking for your network connection, you have to simply open the Instagram app, and in app you have to click on that profile section. And after that, you have to click on that three lines here. So in three lines, you will find the settings and activity option. So here you will find the option of the first option is as that account center. So you have to simply click on that. As you click on account center, you will find many of the options. So one of the option is personal details. So you have to simply click on that. And here you have to simply click on account ownership and control. And after that, you will find the two options. The first one is memorialization and second one is deactivation. So the first option is as that it tells you who will control your account after you pass away. So the second one is deactivation or deletion. So in deactivation or deletion, you have to select the account you want to deactivate. So there are two options. The first one is deactivating your account. Deactivating your account is temporary. It means that your profile will be hidden on Instagram until you reactivate it through account center by logging into your account. So here you have to simply click on continue, and after that providing continue, you will find that you will lose that following info. So you have to simply click on continue again, and after that what you have to do, you have to provide here your password, and after providing the password they will ask for the confirmation, and after confirmation you have to simply click on the option here, why you are deactivating your account. You can simply select any of the option, and here I have to click on continue. So here the option is available. Before you deactivate, you can simply log out. So if you want to reactivate, so there is option available if, whether you want to reactivate your account within 7 days or you want to set any option. So if you want to deactivate, you can simply set the limit, and after that you can simply click on continue, and after providing continue, your account will be deactivated for the number of days you have selected. If you log in back to your account within 7 days, your account will be active again as earlier. So hope you have liked this video. If you get more videos like these, you can subscribe our channel.